So it's basically useless. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep these. But I also feel like that's a really bad idea. Let's do it anyway. Holy smokes. Hello my beautiful YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel. My name's Hallie if you don't already know. Today I'm going to be filming a video that you guys all seem to love. Is one of the most popular kinds of videos that I make on my channel, so I will link my minimalist series down below if you would like to binge watch all of them. I'm doing a decluttering video today, a whole house declutter. Now I'm not decluttering my whole house today because it's currently 5:20 at night, and yeah, I'm not about to spend my entire night doing that, so this will be a multiple day process. Subscribe if you like these types of videos. I do make them I want to say like every quarter of the year, so about every couple months I make them. Yeah, like this video because it really supports my channel, and we're gonna get started. We're gonna go upstairs first because we're gonna do not a closet declutter because I tend to do those separately, but like kinda, because if you guys saw my last closet declutter, you know I said I was gonna put everything on my Poshmark, and I never did that, so all the clothes are just laying in my closet. So we're gonna go upstairs and take a bunch of pictures for Poshmark, post them all, and then continue. Now, before I forget, I'm gonna take pictures of all of the clothes and post them on my Poshmark.
Going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So
okay, alright, now I need to post all of these before I forget. My camera's about to die, so while I post all those things on Poshmark, I'm gonna charge it. Alright guys, it is the next day if you can't tell. After I put everything up on Poshmark, I like hit a wall. I was so exhausted. I don't know why, but I literally just like hit a wall. Didn't want to do anything. So we're back today. I'm currently brewing myself coffee. Paisley just fell asleep, so we have maximum probably 2 hours to go through this whole house. So I'm not really done with my closet because there's just a bunch of stuff on the floor and like random things I kind of want to go through really fast. So we're gonna do that. We're mainly focusing on the floor. I have a bunch of random things down here. I use these envelopes. All my Poshmark orders go in to these envelopes. Also, I think in my glass closet declutter I said I was gonna get rid of this, but now that scarves are like really trendy, I might keep it until it goes out of style because I have it anyway. So I'm gonna get a bag to put these in. So all of the things that I'm recycling will go into this bag, and all of the things that I'm donating will go into this plastic Target bag. I donate pretty much everything that is ripped, or if it's like an underwear bralette, I'm not gonna donate that. I just feel like that's gross. I just want to keep this. Ow. Alright, so these are gonna be recycled. I have a bunch of random things. First of all, this belt can get hung up. Broken hanger, naturally, of course. Why wouldn't I have that? Oh, these. Bro, what is in here? This room is good to go. I'm gonna put this over here, right there. Donate, recycle. Okay, we are now downstairs in the office area because I didn't really want to do stuff like in the living room and kitchen. Not that it needs much, but I didn't really want to do that because Paisley is napping right now, so maybe that's probably something we can do later. But I figured we'd tackle the things in here first. All right, we're gonna start in the closet. Unfortunately, the light is on, and that's pretty much all you can see. While I am decluttering today, I am also writing down things that I need for organization, because I want to do an organization video. That would be so much fun. But something that I want for here is like cubbies, like kind of like the blue one that's up there, but like not blue, just to like conceal all of this stuff. My friend gave me this tripod, which if you're watching this, thank you, but like she didn't give me this thing in it, so it's basically useless. So this is gonna go either recycled. We'll figure out something to do with this. I don't really want to just throw it away. I think we're gonna get rid of this baby Einstein. Also this right now, very much annoying me. ASMR. Why are we carrying around a notebook that's completely filled with notes that don't really matter? This is my graduation cap, my flag, and my degree holder thing. These also need to go in my memory box. Empty, except for like 2 pages. That's just a bunch of other stuff. Now the floor. Do you remember my last declutter? I decluttered a bunch of the stuff that's actually down here, but a lot of the stuff I actually put on Facebook Marketplace and nobody bought it. Yeah, I kind of still want these. I just feel like these would be really cute for like the bathroom, because I feel like the pearls on these look like bubbles. Maybe it's just me, but like, yeah, I think I'm gonna keep these. These are not being sold. I don't know why these are in here, actually. These are from our trip from Cancun. And then I got some things from Paisley, like these. The Paisley doesn't really play with. It's kind of here. I should actually put them in here. This is where I keep Paisley's, some of her rotation stuff. And then I have my WAC first team all conference. And then I have my dancer of the year, go me. I think I'm gonna put these up with the flag. Ah, this thing. We can definitely get rid of this whiteboard. We don't use it. Nice. My hat's in here. Yeah. Okay, moving on to the next room. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna clean everything up after I'm done here, because I don't feel like it right now. This next part. This is our storage closet. Okay, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. I know it's kind of hard to see, but it's filled to the brim. Now, if I'm being honest, I could totally just rearrange some things and then it wouldn't look like this, but I'm a little lazy for that. But I actually have one specific thing that I'm going to be cleaning out today, and that's Paisley's clothes. Holy smokes. I need coffee for this. I figured this is gonna be a long process, so I have my computer over here to watch YouTube videos, and then my phone when my computer dies to listen to podcasts. I've never gone through this entire bin. I've gone through the little bit on top. I never got down to the bottom, so we're gonna see how long this takes me. I don't even know where to start. I feel like I should dump it out and put it all back in, but I also feel like that's a really bad idea. Let's do it anyway. So many clothes. Okay.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard.
First of all, that took me 23 minutes. Anyway, I know it still looks insanely full, but like I had to like smush this down. This is all the stuff we're getting rid of. Either it is stained, which I will recycle it, or it's like this, or I just don't like these kind of pants to put on my babies. And by babies, I mean Paisley. One, because she had chunky thighs, and this doesn't have any stretch to it. Plus, I don't like wearing jeans, so I can't imagine a baby would like wearing jeans. I feel like it would just be really uncomfortable, and I feel like they're just like a pain. They were a pain to get on, so we're just getting rid of those. Same, I remember these being extremely tight on her legs, and we like chunky babies. And then some of these just have stains on them. I was really upset. This was one of my favorite outfits. My sister actually got Paisley this. I don't know what it was for, but it has a couple stains on it. It doesn't really smell the best either. These will all be either recycled or donated. And then there's a little bit of room for some more clothes on here. Okay, I just went and put this stuff upstairs, and y'all, we've only really done like 3 rooms. There's quite a bit of stuff up there, like more than I would expect, because I do this like every quarter. And as I declutter more, it's becoming less and less of a task. So pro tip, you just gotta keep on trucking. But we're done with the office. I didn't do the bathroom, and I think the bathroom will be something that I do like last if I have time or if I feel like it. But now we're in Paisley's playroom. It is a mess in here. There's only one thing that I think I'm gonna get rid of in here, and it's not even something that I can donate. Here, let me show you. I made this for Paisley. It's kind of hard to see, but as you can see, it's just holes with colors in it. The colors coordinate with balls. It was supposed to be for her to learn colors, but she's not really super interested in it. So I'm gonna get rid of this, and then if I ever wanna bring it back, all I have to do is use one of her other diaper bins that we have. Like, so we're gonna throw this away, and I think I'm gonna actually move the balls to go in the closet in there and put them in her toy rotation, because as of right now, she doesn't really care about them. Yeah, we're gonna do that. I'm gonna put this over here. There is one more thing. I'm gonna move you. So the other thing is these puzzles. Paisley's not really super into puzzles right now. She doesn't quite understand these ones yet. Holy smokes. That is like a bright blue bug. Jeez, how long is it gonna take me to do a puzzle that's made for a 2-year-old? Like I said, I'm gonna pick up and organize everything later, but because I only have very limited time to actually film this video, I'm gonna do it later in life. I do plan to do a cleaning and organizing video soon because I want to get a bunch of stuff to organize our house with. So we're all set on the cleaning on the whole downstairs. Now we got to go upstairs. Now when I go upstairs, I do have to be a little bit quieter because she is sleeping, so we'll see where that gets us. I'm not gonna lie though, the one thing in the storage room that I got done, so happy about that. I definitely think the storage room is something that I just gotta slowly pick at. You know, like I can't just do it all at once because then I think I'm gonna go crazy. I just gotta slowly pick at it. Like this time I did her clothes, next time I might do something else, you know? Oh, I would need my coffee. Paisley just woke up. I thought I would have another like half hour at least. We're just gonna see how long she can sit in her room.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher.
We don't even have ice.
How your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel. Your skin, I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a...
Boom, laundry room, done. Also, Paisley is very much awake now. I'm not gonna do the living room or the kitchen. One in the living room doesn't really have anything in it right now. Two, Chris and I just did the kitchen recently and I just don't have the energy to do the kitchen today. So we're only gonna do one room left, and that's Paisley's room. So we need to get her up and out of bed so I can do that. And then that's pretty much it. I'm so excited. I can't wait to show you guys the final amount of the things that we actually are getting rid of. Hi. Hi. Oh, yay. Let's start with the closet. We're just gonna quick go through all these clothes. Some of these things are going to be recycled based on the theory that I had earlier, but the things that are good we're just going to put downstairs in the storage bin. Like this one's very stained. This is a baby carrier that I don't like, so this is going to be put back in the box and donated. Cool. First of all, this towel is supposed to go in the bathroom. And then here's the box for this. This is also going to be donated. Really, we're going to keep everything else. I don't know why there's a blanket in here, because blanket's going there. This thing with this body pillow, the only reason why I want to keep this is because the body pillow I used the body pillow when I was pregnant. Now, I don't know if I'd actually want to get an actual like a pregnancy pillow for the next one, because let me tell you, the body pillow was not very comfy, but it was technically Chris's body pillow But this storage thing I really should throw away because it is broken. So I'm just gonna put this with the stuff I want to get rid of because I really do want to get rid of it. I don't want it in my house anymore. All right, you guys, so before I share with you the final stuff that we're getting rid of, that's all the rooms we're gonna do today. I feel like we did a fairly good job for the amount of time that I had. Like, there's a lot of stuff and I'm a bit overwhelmed, so I don't want to do more because I don't want to overwhelm myself more. I feel like we did some damage. We did really good today and I'm pretty proud of it. Just remember the 2 bags I put down before. Look at all this stuff. There's a lot going on here that we're getting rid of. So snaps and claps to us. But that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this decluttering video. If you did, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel because I do them quite often. And I will continue to do them because I still have a lot more stuff that I could possibly declutter. It just goes to show that every couple of months you should do some decluttering yourself. All right, I love you all, and I will see you guys on next week's video. Bye!